Hey everyone, today we have this 2026 Land Cruiser. It's a VXR variant, and in this car we did the detailing and polishing. You can check the glossiness and the car after polishing, and also we have installed tint film. It has a 30% darkness and it's light from inside. And from inside we have installed this 5D mat. It's a custom fit that protects the flooring of your car. And then we have made the seats in synthetic leather. You can check the stitching work. And the fixing, it looks same like genuine. Then we have installed custom 5D mats. You can check that it has covered the whole floor. Also the passenger side, you can check the headrest and all the fixing. Also you can check the detailing work. Car is looking like just out from a company. Very clean work. Also you can check the headrest, the cushion. We have fixed it in same genuine way. Also the headrest and everything. Also you can check the stitching work, and again the 5D flooring, same like genuine. The benefit of this is that every dirt, everything goes on this mat and you can clean it very easily with a simple mop. It's a waterproof material and easy to clean. It protects the original floor. So hope you like the work. Let us know in the comment section and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.